It was such a mellow, 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 mellow day.
When you walk
by. It was such a mellow, 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 mellow day.
Derek Blanks here, doing the shoot for the Atlantic magazine on the top of the W Hotel helicopter pad. It's gonna be crazy. We are shooting 2 models. I guess she's living that life where she can just fly to different cities, shop, do whatever she needs to at her leisure, and then fly out. So it's gonna be a cool shot. I'm very excited. I love the Atlantic magazine, work with them all the time. It's pretty dope.
Can't deny the way you call my it's something strawberry filled up the sky. And everything on you intoxicates.
Hi, my name's Kelly Willett. I'm here with Derek Blanks shooting. We're doing a shoot with this amazing helicopter. And everything should turn out great.
But I guess your mouth emotion got me so high. And I could tell it's pure just by the taste. When you kiss me, so tell me you wanna get close somewhere far away, far away. Don't worry about your love and it won't go to waste, go to waste. Don't let it change your face.
So we just wrapped with the Atlanta magazine. The beautiful Kelly. She's a professional model, did a great job, and images came out amazing. We got it done in an hour.
Well, excuse me, it takes a photographer like this to do the amazing work that he does. Wait till you see the magazine. It's going to be amazing.
Because your flavor's so original. And it all started when she said, hey,